Hello everybody, I haven't uploaded in a while. Got a lot of footage I need to piece together. I have to fix this thing, which it should go back fairly easy. You can see where the old weld was. Anyways. Oh, it's a Monday. It's a Monday! I cut all these tubings, I cut all these plates, I welded all these on. All before lunchtime. I also made those angles with the cement sticker thingies. And then I made this lovely box out of 1-inch plate. Put a big old crazy weld on the inside of that thing. Hold on one second, let me turn this thing. Oh god! Oh jeez. That thing's 50 pounds. At least 50 pounds. Anyways. Mondays.